How to delete all videos on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can delete all your TikTok posts or videos that you have uploaded. Now the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to make sure your TikTok is updated to the latest version, and you want to simply open up your TikTok application. You want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll be headed into profile and you'll be able to see all your videos right here, right? Now, what you can do in order to delete your TikTok video is you want to simply tap on that particular video, tap on the three dots at the right hand side of the screen. That once you open up the video, and here if you scroll down all the way to the right at the bottom of your screen along the options, you'll be able to see the delete option at the bottom right. Simply tap on delete and it'll ask you to delete this video. If you just tap on delete, this video will be deleted and TikTok will auto scroll you to the next video that you have uploaded, and you'll have to go to the similar process to all the videos in order to delete all your videos. There is no any particular shortcuts to delete all your TikTok posts or videos at once. So this way you can delete all your videos on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.